Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, today we're going to talk about Jada Kingdom and we're going to talk about Shaneil Muir as well. But I just want to send condolences to Jada Kingdom and her family. Her grandma passed away. We look on her Instagram, we say she got a funeral. Her boyfriend go with her and all of that. So you saw me and say, we just send out some blessings to the family and to Jada herself. But people, you know what I mean? They had a show in St. Vincent and me have some footage for sure now. The journey getting to the show. So when you know them island they know, and if you're from St. Vincent, you know what I mean, we love every island the same. You see me I say, but we know them island they know them have to travel by small plane. Later on I'm going to tell you a story where Minister Marian All told us going to one of those islands, right? I don't know, some of you might hear it as well. But we're going to share that with you now. But people, may have some video for sure now. What go on, because it's like them say them not just a plane, because a small plane. So without any further ado, we are going to get right into what go on, and then we're going to discuss it a little bit. So take a look at this. Shaneil Muir and Jada Kingdom on their way to Vincent. Here goes.
Aloha. Twinkle.
Why am I not going there? I'm not going there.
You're afraid? You're afraid?
You're crazy? No, I'm going to stuck at Vincent. Look on the plane now.
Oh.
And them playing themselves for the artists, them.
Wickedness.
Wickedness, what's that?
Wickedness.
Mighty, mighty. Boy named Mystique, you need to name Mosquito. Playing a little bit. Playing a little bit.
This no fear. What you say? We safe? We safe?
You look like you look confident. You look strong. You look like...
Yeah, people, so when you see what go on, it can be very frightening. Now, them all say the plane a leak. We know them thing they go, you know, are very small countries and they don't have the budget. Maybe it's all a private company, who knows, you know what I mean? And them not have the budget for keep the maintenance up on those planes, but it can be very frightening for the people them we are travel upon them. Now, people, may I tell you about Minister Marian All. There's a story where she tell me, I'm just go paraphrase and just go through it quick, because she said basically she did in one of them plane there, go to one of them island there, and what happened is like boom, the door fly open while she up on the plane. You see what I say? And she said she have to grab the door and hold it till it land. You see what I say? Now people, me don't know about Uno, but if me go through something like that, boy, I don't know, I'm afraid for fly. You see what I say? Anybody know DJ Khaled afraid for fly? You see what I say? So you can imagine him in one of them things. Last time I want that for happen still, you know, don't get me wrong. But I just say. Now people want to actually show you what go on when them reach at the show. So Jada performed for her fans them. And it was good, you saw me I say. So me have those clips coming right up. You saw me I say Jada shell the place. Unfortunately, I don't have enough to go na Shaneil Muir performance and what she deal with. And you know what I mean, the other artists them. No other artists was there as well. We need to mention that. You see me I say Popcorn, 450 TG, what the artist was there. It was like a festival, so big up Vincent for that. You see me? But people, let's get right into what Jada going with. Here goes.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I wanna tell you something. Look at baby.
So when you say,
I know.
what's the name?
Twinkle, like in a memory. Yeah, I'm really good at this. I saw you're ready for. But like a paper when you're different than a regular. I would get it, say my love, mama, press to her. Look at baby, my tell us that you want my first opportunity. We have to give it to you, cause you're saving from the streets. Well, but then you say me ready on your eyes when you say right now I'm full of the demons in my soul. I want to go mad, skin right open. Force it up,
try one more time.
You say what them call me?
Alright, talk up. Alright, talk up. Somebody talk up. 1, 2, 3. Talk up right here, son.
Just 3 over 3, them can't keep up to me. I will never
Yeah, man, let it up.
from our nails hit through me. Be so careless. Ride it out and I give me the nice. Make you come and free your mind. Don't lie. Criminal, my niggas. Doing everything my like a muscle. This feels too nice when we are trying. Baby, I'm gonna let you. You fuck me like that. So we go more than one. We're too bad for you. You boy, for the bottom of card and I hold. Cause I can't say I did that. For the bottom of my pioneer. But as every night you me a run. You say I don't use honey, I like this and I ride. And you can't like me by your side. And taxi come a love exercise. So it's me out all you want is alright. What's a girl to do when she's needy? Your bed stop it, I will step up. Hello, child, I'm a terrible. How nice I'm gonna kill you, treat me. The only thing exciting about us is when I say, you are killing me. Things when we don't want to try. It's more stuff for me aside. Wish I could have read your mind. Move on back to the streets for where you're going. I never be tell you go 3 town here, yo. Tell you already, me like can't dribble. Yeah. Because they want to be put up. Don't have me. How much over me? I'm crazy to me.
What them tell you?
They call me my head. What you call me? Each girl you want out of me. Pick that. I know me alone want to be sweet.
Yeah.
You are my damn body like them. Boom boom say hi, cocky.
Yes, I know.
This was me.
No, stop.
Said it. I'll never come up, baby. I always said don't give it. Give it.
See that song vibe, shake that shit, shake that shit, shake it up, shake it up.
It's a shit.
Yeah.
It's a shit.
Watch out.
It's a toy from a pin.
Yeah.
And tear down the plane.
Yeah.
It's a shake, 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 it's a shake. I want to start show. When say I show?
So chill let the pussy people.
The girl in our blood clot ask me what I fuck up. Cocky up, big round body. Say the area call ya. The shake on the brain when the shake on the brain. You are shake to the base and I tear on the plane.
Alright.
Who wanna make up your face? Place up your ears, the nails go for play. Body you have to shake the stick. Well, shake the east side and only Gaza take place. Vincent!
Yeah, people, so I can't help for just say, boy, I'm proud of my artists, them. You see what I say? Especially the female, them. I love the female artists, them, because it's just a joy if you just keep on tracking them and showing them progress and showing them the things that they do, because they're very active. They always working, they always have show, and them take us to some places where, you know what I mean? We not even, me myself, I don't even know if I'm going to reach them place there, like Spice there Israel where they, I don't want to see that, you see what I say? So, I don't talk about things like that, you see what I say? I talk about things like them, I talk about Shaneil Muir, you know what I mean? For just see she just step on the rise and I go. Jada Kingdom I do her thing as well. Also, you know what I mean, you have other artists like Stark Ashley and you have Marion and them artists that we are forward. So you know say before female are going at the music. You see what I say? And them young too, so that means that them have time. They have time to build and make them career strong and left a legacy about you. You see me I say, I want to see more female in the game. You see me? So people drop down in the comment section, tell me what you think about what, you know what I mean, the playing thing like, and if you don't ever have any experiences with traveling on them small plane there, or even island hopping, because I know a lot of people move around in the Caribbean, and it's not only Jamaican there. Anybody from Vincent there, big up on yourself. Anybody from anywhere else will do this, you know, want to use ferry, want to use plane, forget around, big up on yourself as well. Right? So people, in closing, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, big up everybody and have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. Wherever you are, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.